I'm called Mate Edson, the ARHF coordinator of the Bujo branch. I'm very happy to have our country manager, and this is one of our clients that we normally work with. It's called the Tungu Jen. I thank, she is thankful for the support that you have given us. These remedies have helped her a lot, and even she is appreciating for the service. She is requesting for more medicines to come frequently because there are many clients that need them. The remedies are scarcity, and we need you to keep continuing sending them. Thank you very much.
Okay, you're welcome.
Yes.